Hey everybody. So it wasn't too long ago that I was seeing individuals come out with videos and articles in regards to Microsoft or I guess Microsoft Windows updates, automatic updates even to our computers and the effect that it would have on our computers. For some people, um, I think they lost like certain data. Um, their computer was never working the same. Basically, a lot of people had to find themselves replacing their computer after Windows would do this automatic update. And if I'm not mistaken, if it wasn't last year, then it was the year before last. And I remember a relative of mine informing me about it, and I'm like, yeah, we definitely gonna stay away from that. Well, I bought her computer recently, but I was allowing my daughter to use it, and she was not aware of the fact that I did not want these updates to occur. And actually, sometimes if you don't go into your computer and change the automatic update setting, then your computer will be automatically updated. And I really think that's what happened on my computer. With that being said, just last week, my daughter came up to me and said, "Ma, the volume on the computer is no longer working." So I did my best to troubleshoot, and this is the article that I came across. And it's ironic that it's on the Microsoft website because this Windows situation, like, okay. But anyway, many individuals, as you can see, and I'm going to leave the link to this article in the description box, but many individuals have experienced the same thing. And look at the dates. The dates is what's getting me. So this one goes back as early as September 3rd. We got September 4th. Basically, within the past couple of weeks, individuals have experienced the same issue of having some sort of update to their Windows computer, and suddenly they no longer have sound. Now, I believe this probably applies to all of us. The point is that you cannot hear the sound from just your laptop. Like, you can't hear the sound just from it or your computer. You can plug in a device. I only know about plugging in. I don't know if Bluetooth works, but I do know I can plug in a headset such as what I have on right now to make this video, and the sound comes through the headset just fine. But when it comes to playing the volume through my laptop, as I was doing prior with no problems, and I just got this laptop not too long ago. I promise you, like maybe this summer, if not then in the spring, I had no issue playing videos and hearing the sound through the laptop. But ironically, what all of us have in common under these comments is that we all experienced a update this week. I mean, not just this week, but within the past couple of weeks of September, and all of us are now no longer experiencing sound coming directly from our devices. We now have to put in another device, such as a headset or something, in order to hear sound from our devices. This is a problem. And so there is articles out here, like such as this person right here, who have a video that pretty much walks you through how to possibly get the volume back. I did read the comment sections under his video, and some individuals it worked for, and then some individuals it didn't. I haven't followed that step by step process because I could barely put my words together these days, let alone follow this video and troubleshoot my computer. Like, my mind just don't be there right now. I guess because I'm just doing the most out here in these streets. But with that being said, I am eventually gonna have to find some time to just sit my behind still and follow these step by step um, steps in order to troubleshoot my own computer, because I'm not paying Microsoft and I'm not paying nobody else to help me get back the sound of this computer. This is something that Microsoft should be doing for free. This is something that should be provided free to everyone, whoever's in charge of Windows. I guess that's Microsoft. I don't care who it is. They need to, whoever's in charge of these updates, they need to be the ones troubleshooting this stuff and getting everyone back their volume. This is just crazy. Like, I can't think of a motive as to why they would want to do that. But I guess if it means that you go out and have to spend money on troubleshoot, I don't know. I don't know why. It's just some wicked things be happening, just wicked, wicked, wicked stuff out here. Um, You could say maybe it's a glitch in the update, or something like that. I don't know. I feel like crap just be intentional. You can't really convince me otherwise. There's too much intentional crap happening out here. But with that being said, I'm just curious to know who else is happening to. Has anyone else, or anyone else that's on this channel, has it happened to you, in regards to these updates with Windows? Or do you know someone that it has happened to? Do anyone else have any other solutions they want to share in the comment section? So that is it, and I will talk to y'all soon. Peace.